This is Sudip Bhattacharjee speaking. I am pleased to introduce to you my book on finite element analysis of solids and structures. Everything about FEA is known. So why do you need another book? Just a question to start with. There are really some excellent books on different ideas that form the foundation of finite element methods. With those books, we also have some excellent software tools or products that are used in practical engineering applications for modeling and also for analysis with different degrees of complexities. So what does this new book bring to you? This book is a synthesis of my teaching work at different universities, plus my practical engineering work in civil structures and automotive industries over the past few decades that have taught me few things that are important to learn and retain for successful practical applications. So how is this book different from others? Many academic courses, plus many of those good books, cover very well the matrix and vector constructions of finite element properties. This knowledge is absolutely important for successful engineering applications. Plus, a practicing engineer also needs to know the commercially available CAE tools for correct model construction and interpretation of the results. So this book that I introduced to you builds that link between important academic knowledge and useful CAE skills for practical problem solutions. There are 12 chapters dedicated on different themes, but the bigger themes are matrix method of structural analysis, theory of elasticity that forms the foundation of finite element formulations for solids and structures, and then use of that knowledge with commercially available software products for practical problem solutions, starting from model preparation to interpretation of the results. Dynamics of structures covered in chapters 10 and 11, and finally chapter 12 on nonlinear behavior of structures for material plasticity, for part-to-part contact variations, and for large deformation behavior of the structures. Who can benefit from this book? If you're a teacher of the subject at a university, you may find some good tips in the book. 12 discrete chapters formatted for one semester course. Ready to use 700 slides for in-class or online instructions. And if you are a self-learning student looking for a guidebook to learn or enhance your CAE skills, you will find easy to understand engineering notations in the book. Demonstration videos on software use included. Chapter and practice problems to strengthen the learning objectives at the end of each chapter. And if you're an instructor of corporate training programs on CAE tools and skills, you will find dedicated chapters on critical roles of model quality and engineering interpretation of results. And you will also find electronic data files for model creations and practical analysis problems. If you are an engineer like me looking for a reference book on CAE of structures, you may find it as a good reference for solving the problems of elasticity, plasticity, fatigue, fracture mechanics, contacts, and structural dynamics by using commercially available FEA packages. You will find more details about the book contents in this video link. Finally, if you are interested, you can visit the publisher's website for a copy of the book, both printed version and electronic versions available. You will also find it on Amazon. And finally, thank you very much for listening to this video.